Welcome to SGS Candlestick Basics Part 3, examining the Morning Star formation. This is Morris. The stock we're looking at in this video is Trex, T-R-E-X. This is a company that manufactures decking made of a composite material, so it's considered to be environmentally sound company, and the growth rates have been pretty outstanding. Most recently, the fundamental news was they missed a number on their earnings, but only because of the introduction of a new product line. They couldn't keep up with consumer demand. But the formation that we want to talk about is the Morning Star formation, and this one, there's two of these on the chart that I wanted to point out. Actually, there's three. Back here was also a Morning Star, and some technical patterns will just continue to reappear many times on the same stock or the same index. And this one acts very similar with the Morning Star. This right here was a Morning Star formation, stick 1, 2, and 3, and then of course the stock rallies from 58 all the way up to 78, and then here comes, not only was this a problem right here on the earnings miss, but it's also a double top. Many times the stock is looking for the excuse to go down when it moves up into the double top zone. But the formation we want to talk about at the here and now on Trex is the Morning Star. You get a washout move at the area of general support. So we're in the area of general support on this particular stock. Note the Slow Stokes indicator, how oversold it is now, very similar to late March when the stock rallied considerably. So to explain a little bit about the Morning Star formation, the long decline, the oversold market, and then three very important candlesticks. The setup candlesticks, first two are here. 1, 2. These two candlesticks are marking new lows for the move, but the important candlestick is stick number 3. Stick number 3 has to close in the top 1/3 of stick number 1. Well, as you can see on this chart, this particular stock in this particular move just blows it away because it far exceeds what is required. It would have only had to have closed, say, somewhere around 59, but instead it blows all the way to 63.50. This is what I call a power Morning Star move. And many times when this happens, it leads to going right back to the area of strong resistance. That's the setup that you typically get from a Morning Star formation. I will just say one thing in concluding this video. You're looking for this kind of follow through from the Morning Star formation, but you always want to remember you can also pull back and the Morning Star move can be tested down into this area, not violating lows, but moving back somewhat. And until we get further confirmation, the Morning Star formation has to be proven with more upside action. That said, I have been a buyer of this stock and do own a position in it. That's all for now. This is Morris saying thank you.